Hi, cats and kitties. Today we're gonna make some cute apple earrings. Let's go! Alright, so I created a simple silhouette of an apple off camera and I'm just gonna cut around it as per usual. Just enjoying cutting like nice round shapes. I don't know why I just love that so freaking much. Also, I decided not to show you guys me doing the same thing for each earring because I just feel like that's super repetitive. So I'm just going to cut it right here on the screen, but we're just going to focus on one earring and I'm going to do the other one off camera. We gotta make the apple shiny, you know, we gotta make it shine. You know, I just repeated myself 2 times, but you feel me, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put a little bit of white felt, kind of do like a half a moon effect, and just stitch it right on there on the side. Okay, so this part's pretty obvious. I forgot what it's called, a stem or root? I think it's a stem that goes on the apple, yeah. And then we're gonna cut the little leafy effect because I think that's so cute to add, just a nice little touch. Even though when I buy apples, I've never seen that before. I don't know. But yeah, we're just going to add it to the front and I like to pinch it and just see how it's gonna look once I sew it together. And I like to pin it to the side just so when I'm sewing nothing's moving all crazy. I got this set here from Hobby Lobby where it's already attached to the fish hook, I believe it's called, and so I just want to see how it's gonna fit. I know it's a little technical, but it works, trust me, it works. So I'm going to start all the way to the right of the apple and go all around and then in where we're going to add the hook onto the earring. Just because honestly I just like to do the easy part first before it gets all technical. That's just a preference for me. You can start wherever you like. Just make sure you have enough space to add the fluff and stuff. I want to slow it down for this part just so you can see exactly what I'm doing because there's a lot of maneuvering you have to do, and what's really important is that you make sure you pinch down onto that hook and feel that circle on your thumbs just so you know exactly where to sew through, because we're going to go in and out through the circle just to keep it secure, but you'll see exactly what I'm doing. Yes, my favorite part other than cutting round objects, adding the fluff and stuff. So I like to use a painter's brush just because the brush holds the cotton a little bit more, especially for smaller objects, because your girl's got big thumbs, okay? And my thumb can't fit in that small hole. Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So yeah, it just makes it so much easier for me. Alright, we're done. And of course, I like to tell you on that just a little bit, just to make sure everything's secure. Don't want to be walking out in public with your earrings falling off like a nice set of braids, you know? That's awkward, and it's happened to me before, so I know what to do now. If you like this, guys, let me know in the comments, and I will show you guys more. And I appreciate all my new subscribers, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!